Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this watering bowl for pets. Features a no spill design. Kind of interesting. Has this little lever here. Looks like it has some filters as well. This seems like kind of a unique thing here. I haven't heard about this before, but we have a little filter here and some instructions. And then inside we have the floating bowl here. So it says open this. We can open that up maybe with our little pliers here. Wait 1 second. Okay, so this little pry bar just fits right underneath here. Slide it under there, and that pops out really easily. There we go. So this comes out, and then we just put our little filter right in here. Just like that. Should lock into place. Just kind of press it in there, I think. There we are, just like that. Put some water here. I'm gonna rinse it out real quick, put some water in and test it out here. Okay, got some water in there. Then we simply just put our little floating thing there. And then we put this on top. It snaps into place. Put this back portion on first. Has some nice grips here on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. And then if your dog wants to drink from there, you can push down there and drink from it. But if a lot of dogs, they slobber a lot and so it splashes water. If you just have a regular bowl, this just has a little bit of water right here in the center, and then if they push down on it, you get some more water on there, and then it can come back up there. So you can put more water in this, so this is like up at the top here. But as you can see, it's pretty anti-spill here. That's pretty cool. So even like rock it around a little bit, the water's not coming out of there. So pretty neat design, actually. I haven't seen anything like this before. Let's go see how the cats think about this though. Oh, Moogie likes it. Normally, he's actually really bad at spilling because he drinks right next to it, and half the time, half the water goes out of the bowl. So this is really good for him. All right, my friend, looks like it's definitely cat approved. Boogie's thirsty, and it just keeps refilling that little hole there. And look, his little mane isn't getting wet or anything. So this is a great little idea. How's it, buddy? So Boogie enjoyed it. And there we go. No water spilling all over the floor. Normally with his bowl, he drinks right at the edge and he just keeps lapping. So there'd be a big old puddle like next to that. So this is definitely a great idea. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.